This is Mia with WTI.
If you're looking for a high-quality weighted plush, then this little frog is it. He's so cute and made from such nice materials. As you can see on the scale, he's heavy, but not too heavy. He's just right. He can also be put in the microwave and warmed up. Since he can be warmed up and he's weighted, I have thoroughly enjoyed cuddling this little frog.
Like I said before, this little guy is so well made. I love his quality. He is so cuddly and a good weight for snuggles. I know that for me, his weight, I cuddle him when I'm feeling a little anxious, and it is very soothing to me. I also love how he can be put in the microwave and warmed up. That is such a nice feature. Another thing is that he smells like lavender. He's scented, and I really like the scent. I find it to be very pleasant. I love my little frog, and I would definitely recommend you getting yourself a little frog, and that is my point of view.